welcome back to my channel and welcome to the festival edition of makeup tutorial. So for today's video I will be sharing with you all Lohri festival makeup look, या typical Punjabi makeup look, and आप देख ही सकते हो मेरे full hairstyle और मेरे outfit से that I am carrying a Punjabi traditional look. For many of those who don't know that tomorrow is Lohri and being Punjabi I have to create a look for you all who are going to celebrate Lohri tomorrow. So मेरा आउटफिट जो है मैंने पिंक रखा है, इसलिए जो है मैंने अपने आई शैडो जो है वो भी पिंक सिल्वरिश में रखा है. बट जैसा भी आपका आउटफिट है आप उस हिसाब से अपना ये आई लुक क्रिएट कर सकते हो एंड इट इज़ रियली वेरी सिंपल. But before I start with the makeup tutorial, please make sure that to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the little notification bell beside the subscribe button. And if you like my content, then don't forget to share it with your friends and families, like my video and comment down in my comment section below so that I also get to know कि मेरी वीडियो कौन-कौन देख रहा है and what are their thoughts about my makeup tutorial. And also follow me on my Instagram account, that is TMD the Makeup Diaries 2020, because I am posting a lot of informative content over there. So I will be placing a link of my Instagram account in my description box, so do check it out. And now without wasting further ado, let's get started. today's video. Please do let me know your thoughts about it कि आपको कैसा लगा आज का मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल और मेरा पूरा आउटफिट एंड माय हेयर स्टाइल आपको कैसा लग रहा है एंड यू थिंक इट इज रिलेटेबल टू द फेस्टिवल दैट इज कमिंग टुमारो. And that's it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.